guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to talk about two hair products that I use the most. It's Streax Hair Serum. So I have two variants and I'm using both of them. First, I will tell you the similarities among these two hair serum and differences and the reason why I use and how I use these hair serum, because so many queries I got related to the hair serum and the products that I use during my hair styling or like right after my shower on my hair. So yes, let's talk about this one. This is Streax Hair Serum and it's like a vitalized with walnut oil. So this is the first variant, and the other one which I have is the Vitariche Gloss Hair Serum. So these are the two hair serum and both are priced at 210 rupees. So price wise both are really similar and it's a budget friendly. So basically I use this one, the walnut vitalized hair serum, for my straightening purpose. The Vitariche hair serum is little bit towards the oilier side. It's a serum, of course it gives you high gloss, but it's little bit towards the oilier side, whereas the Streax vitalized hair serum is a little bit thick in the texture, and it works more in terms of smoothing your hair and detangling and removing frizz of the hair. Although the Vitariche, this one, it adds more gloss to your hair. So I don't use any of these hair serum on the scalp area, like on the roots of my hair. I always like to start and put it on the bottom section of my hair to detangle my hair, to kind of make my hair frizz free, and during the combing I use this. It works best for me. It also adds some shine. I do have frizzy and dry hair, so during my straightening, like whenever I put on some heat on my hair, so I also like to use Streax this walnut one for my as a heat protectant for my hair, and I'm using it from long time. Like if you have seen my previous videos of hair straightenings like 4 years back and 5 years back, you would know that I'm still using the same as heat protectant and it still works best for me. And for high gloss, like if there are those days when I don't style my hair with any styling tool like blow dryer or straightener or crimping or curling machine, like I don't put any kind of heat, like I'll just wash my hair and I'll comb it, then I like to prefer this Vitariche high gloss hair serum. Add some elasticity to my hair, and also I don't mind if it is a little bit towards moistured and towards oilier side, but still it adds a lot of gloss. So yeah, this is something that I like to use on a regular and a daily basis, where straightener also adds some shine and gloss to your hair, so you will not need so much additional shine, I would say. So then you can go with the Streax hair serum. Basically I use it as a heat protectant to protect my hair from high heat and getting damaged during straightening process or curling process or the crimping or blow dryer. So this is the product that I like to use. And yeah, that's all I wanted to share about it. And if you're looking for a really nice serum, then you can go with any of these Streax hair serum and it will work for you. For daily basis, you can go with the Streax Vitariche high gloss hair serum, and you can use you can use both of them for a daily purpose. It depends like how much quantity you're using, but never use these serum on the scalp area, because these are not oil, these are like a serum that will smoothen your hair and all those things. So you have to keep these products away from the scalp area mostly. You can just put it just to manage and make your hair more presentable. So guys, this was my thought and review on Streax hair serum, and this is really nice hair serum available in the market. And there are so many other products as well for which works like best as a heat protectant and as a serum, and lot many products are there, good products I would say. But as per my experience, I have been using it from long time, so that's why I'm sharing, and you can go for this hair serum and I'm sure you will love that. So guys, that's all about these hair serum and review. And if you wanted to know what and all like hair setting spray I use after styling my hair, like right after curling my hair or doing hair straightening, like you can see right now I've done the hair straightening and I have used these two hair serum So yes, this is all about the review on these products. I hope this video was helpful for you, and you can also check out my other videos like related to the hairstyling tools like straighteners and curling irons and different hairstyles as well, done with the help of hair serums and hairspray and other everything related to the hair. You can check out on my channel. I also love to do makeup, so you can check my makeup tutorial videos, and you can check my Instagram as well, where I do all different kind of trendy makeup looks. So you can follow me on my Insta, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.